Few foods are as universally loved and cherished as peanut butter. Across continents and cultures, it has found a place in the hearts and kitchens of millions. Whether it's a busy weekday morning or a lazy Sunday brunch, peanut butter brings people together, sparking smiles and creating moments of joy around the table. Instantly recognizable by its creamy texture and inviting aroma, peanut butter is more than just a spread, it's a symbol of comfort and familiarity. Its presence on the breakfast table is almost a given, a reassuring sight that promises something delicious is about to happen. It's a staple in kitchens everywhere, always ready to transform a simple slice of bread into a satisfying snack or meal. From bustling city apartments to cozy countryside homes, peanut butter is a constant companion, offering nourishment and convenience in equal measure. For many, its rich, nutty aroma brings back a flood of childhood memories. School lunches packed with care, after-school treats shared with friends, and the simple joys of licking the spoon clean. It's a taste that connects generations, evoking nostalgia and warmth with every bite. Whether you prefer it crunchy or smooth, spread thickly on toast or enjoyed straight from the jar, peanut butter is a comforting presence in our daily lives. It adapts to every preference, making it a beloved choice for both young and old. Its versatility is part of its enduring charm. Perfect on toast, paired with sweet jam, blended into creamy smoothies, or baked into golden cookies and treats. It's a secret ingredient in countless recipes, adding richness and depth to both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond its irresistible taste, peanut butter is packed with plant-based protein, healthy fats, fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. It fuels busy mornings, supports active lifestyles and offers a wholesome boost to any meal or snack. But the story of peanut butter begins long before it reaches our tables. Its journey starts in the fields, where peanuts are carefully cultivated and harvested by dedicated farmers. Each jar represents a remarkable process, from seed to spread, shaped by nature and human hands alike. So let's follow that journey together. From the sun-drenched farms of India, where the humble peanut is grown, all the way to your kitchen table. Discover how this pantry staple connects us all, one delicious spoonful at a time. Our story begins on the sun-drenched plains of India, where the land stretches endlessly beneath a golden sky. Here, the rhythm of rural life is set by the seasons, and the fields are alive with the promise of a new harvest. It's in these fertile expanses that a remarkable journey takes root. A journey that will eventually bring the world's finest peanuts to your table. In regions like Gujarat and Maharashtra, the climate is nothing short of perfect for cultivating high-quality peanuts. The combination of warm sunshine, just the right amount of rainfall, and rich, well-drained soil creates ideal conditions for peanut farming. These states are renowned across India for producing peanuts that are not only abundant, but also exceptionally flavorful and nutritious. Local farmers here focus on a special variety known as Kachi Mungfali. This peanut is celebrated for its impressive size, robust flavor, and high oil content, all essential qualities for making premium peanut butter. The seeds are carefully selected each season, ensuring that only the best traits are passed on to the next generation of crops. Unlike most crops, peanuts are unique. They're actually legumes, not nuts, and their edible pods develop underground, hidden from view. This underground growth protects the peanuts from harsh weather and pests, allowing them to mature slowly and develop their signature taste and texture. Generations of expertise guide the farmers as they prepare the soil, plant seeds, and tend the crops. Many families have been growing peanuts for decades, passing down traditional techniques and wisdom. They know exactly when to sow the seeds, how to nurture the young plants, and the best ways to protect them from disease and drought. After months of patient care and careful growth, the harvest season arrives, a time of anticipation and excitement. Timing is everything. Harvesting too early or too late can affect the quality of the peanuts. Farmers work together, often with their families, to ensure every plant is lifted at just the right moment. With practiced hands, the plants are gently lifted from the soil, revealing clusters of pods clinging to the roots. It's a rewarding sight, the result of months of hard work and dedication. The freshly unearthed plants are then laid out under the warm Indian sun, where they dry naturally in the open air. This drying process is crucial. It helps the peanuts develop their full, rich flavor and ensures they'll store well for the journey ahead. Once dried, the peanuts are carefully shelled, sometimes by hand, and sometimes with the help of simple machines. This step requires a gentle touch to protect the delicate kernels inside, which are the heart of every great peanut product. The raw peanuts are then packed into sturdy sacks, ready to begin the next leg of their journey. They're loaded onto trucks and transported to the factory, where they'll be transformed into delicious peanut butter and other treats. Every step, from field to sack, is focused on preserving the quality and freshness of the peanuts. Farmers and workers take pride in their harvest, knowing that their careful handling makes all the difference in the final product. Now, these carefully sourced peanuts are set for their next adventure, entering the factory, where their transformation into something extraordinary is about to begin. At the factory, sacks of peanuts undergo a rigorous quality check. Only the best make it to the production line. Technicians inspect for damage or impurities, setting the standard for the entire process. Next, peanuts are cleaned on conveyor belts and vibrating screens, removing dust, stones, and debris. Magnets pull out any stray metal fragments, ensuring purity. After cleaning, peanuts are precisely weighed for consistency in every batch. This careful measurement guarantees the same rich flavor and creamy texture in every jar. With quality assured, the peanuts are ready for the next stage. The foundation is set. Now the real transformation begins. It's time for roasting. Roasting is where the magic happens. Peanuts are dry roasted at carefully controlled temperatures, unlocking their signature nutty flavor. Quick cooling halts the roasting at the perfect moment, preserving taste and texture. Next, blanching removes the thin red skins. Machines gently rub the peanuts, and air streams whisk the skins away. The result? Pale, golden kernels, ready for a final inspection. Skilled workers handpick any imperfect nuts, ensuring only the best move forward. This human touch guarantees quality before grinding. Every roasted, blanched peanut is now primed for transformation. The journey from raw nut to creamy spread is about to reach its most dramatic stage. Only the finest make it to the grinder. Let's see how peanuts become peanut butter. The sorted peanuts enter industrial grinders for a three-stage transformation. The first grind crushes them into a coarse, crumbly mixture, releasing natural oils. The second grind refines the paste, generating heat that makes it creamier and more aromatic. The final grind achieves a silky, smooth consistency. Peanut butter, as we know it. A ribbon test ensures the texture is perfect. If it flows smoothly, it's ready. This process turns solid nuts into a luscious, golden paste in minutes. Each stage is precisely calibrated for flavor and mouthfeel. The result is more than ground peanuts. It's a carefully crafted spread. Now it's time for the finishing touches. The next step ensures quality and shelf life. Enter deaeration. After grinding, the peanut butter is pumped into a vacuum chamber for deaeration. This removes tiny air bubbles, preventing oxidation and extending shelf life. The result, a denser, creamier, and smoother spread. Meanwhile, glass jars are sterilized and lined up for filling. The peanut butter is dispensed with precision, each jar filled to the exact weight. The signature swirl forms as the nozzles rotate during filling. This closed-loop system keeps the product pure and hygienic. Hundreds of jars are filled every minute, ready for sealing. The journey continues down the production line. Freshly filled jars move to the sealing station, where a foil seal is heat bonded to lock in freshness. Next, jars are labeled with brand, nutrition, and ingredient details, instantly recognizable on store shelves. The capping machine twists on lids with perfect torque, ensuring a secure but easy to open seal. The satisfying click marks the end of primary packaging. Automated safety checks follow jars pass through metal detectors and digital scales. Any jar outside the weight range is rejected, ensuring fairness and quality. Each step is about protecting the product and the customer. Now the jars are ready for their final inspection. The journey from field to factory is almost complete. Soon, these jars will be on their way to stores. But first, one last check. Before leaving the factory, jars undergo a final human inspection for packaging defects. Only those meeting the highest standards are approved for shipping. Approved jars are packed into boxes, sealed, and stacked onto pallets by robotic arms. Pallets are tightly wrapped in plastic, protecting the product from dust and moisture during transit. The entire process is fast, efficient, and consistent. Pallets are loaded onto lorries, ready for distribution to supermarkets and shops nationwide. Logistics ensure fresh peanut butter is always available on shelves. By morning, jars that were just filled are ready for customers. The journey from farm to store is complete. The final step in our peanut butter's journey is also the most rewarding. When you reach out and pick up a jar at your local shop, you're not just buying a spread, you're bringing home a story. That simple act connects you to a process that began months ago, in sun-drenched fields and bustling factories, and ends with a moment of anticipation in your kitchen. As you break the seal, the unmistakable aroma fills the air, promising deliciousness and comfort. It's a scent that brings back memories of childhood breakfasts, after-school snacks, and family gatherings. Whether you're spreading it on warm toast, swirling it into creamy porridge, or adding it to your favorite smoothie, peanut butter is always there to elevate the moment. Some enjoy it straight from the spoon, savoring its rich, nutty flavor, while others use it to create new recipes and traditions. However you choose to enjoy it, peanut butter becomes a part of your daily life, adding a touch of comfort and joy to every meal. Each jar you open is the result of countless hours of care, precision, and hard work. From the skilled hands of farmers and factory workers to the careful packaging and quality checks, every step is guided by a commitment to excellence and a passion for bringing you the very best. It all begins with a humble peanut, grown in the rich soils of Indian fields. Here, dedicated farmers nurture each plant, harvesting the peanuts at just the right moment to ensure the perfect flavor and texture. Through careful transformation, roasting, grinding, and blending, those peanuts become a cherished staple on your table. It's a journey of transformation, from seed to spread, that brings people together across generations. Peanut butter is more than just food. It's comfort, nourishment, and a little bit of joy in every bite. It's the taste of home, the feeling of togetherness, and the promise of a simple pleasure shared with loved ones. Every time you open a jar, you're tasting the journey, from the farm, through the factory, and finally to your family's table. It's a reminder of the people, places, and passion behind every spoonful. Peanut butter is a symbol of simple pleasures and shared moments. It brings friends and families together, sparking laughter, conversation, and memories that last a lifetime. So, enjoy every bite, knowing the story behind each spoonful, the dedication, the tradition, and the love that goes into making your favorite spread. From our factory to your home, here's to the magic of peanut butter, and to the many moments of happiness it brings to your family table.